Hi besties, welcome back to day 2 of our online job application. Today's video is going to be for proofreaders. If you love to read and you can proofread, then this is for you. This company is hiring proofreaders and all you need is a bachelor's degree to get started. I'm going to walk you through all the details so that you can apply today. Remember, we are on a mission. We want to get this job before January 2026. That's why we are doing this. So, if today's your first time, we talk about how to make money online, how to better our lives, alright, how to work remotely. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment. Let me know where you're joining me from and the type of job you're looking for so that I can tailor the next video to your request. So let's dive in. So the name of this one is Cambridge Proofreading. They offer proofreading services for academics. So they offer this in humanizing AI writing, dissertations and theses, journal manuscripts and essays, research proposals, developmental editing, grant writing services. They offer it to students as well, humanizing AI writing, dissertation, and all of that. Even SOPs, that's statement of purpose, and admissions essays, developmental editing, grant writing services. They offer this to businesses and individuals. People come here to order for your service and you work and get paid. It was founded in Cambridge and based in Chicago. Cambridge Proofreading brings together over 300 highly experienced freelance editors worldwide. They have edited more than 201,000 documents for 77,000 clients. They take people from all over the world and they are based in Chicago. They also have an office in the UK, I believe so, because this is a UK number. Okay, check them out on Trustpilot. You can see their rating over there. 4.9 star trust score and 3,270 reviews on Trustpilot. Their editors assist academic and business writers around the world, improving the language and structure of journal manuscripts, theses, and professional documents. They also coach clients to become more confident writers through constructive feedback, earning lasting appreciation from satisfied clients. Who they are? Their editors come from diverse backgrounds and have a broad range of specialism, but they are all talented writers who share a love of editing. They derive great satisfaction from delivering meticulous work and helping writers all over the world. So working for them as a proofreader, you set your own schedule, decide when you want to work, use the calendar to set your availability and block out time when you don't want to receive proposals. And when you receive proposals, you get job offers by email with topic, word count, and deadline details. You can accept or decline with one click, or browse open markets to pick jobs for yourself. They pay twice monthly pay. Invoices are settled twice a month via Revolut or direct deposit. So I believe those in Nigeria can use Revolut. Just get the app. Hone your skills, access their resource library to refine your editing skills and boost efficiency. Perks of working with them: you edit documents from your own areas of expertise and interest. You work from anywhere in the world. Goodbye commute, retain complete control over your schedule, work when you want and only when you want. Experience the satisfaction of helping appreciative clients from all over the world. What they look for in candidates include: you will need at least a bachelor's degree, master's or doctorate strongly preferred, but bachelor's is still okay. You also need excellent command of English, prior editing experience, reliable internet access, consistent ability to meet deadlines. Preferred candidates: they give preference to editors who have advanced degrees, expertise in STEM, business, computer science, economics, or law, experience in academic editing, publishing, or university teaching. And what they offer in return for your expertise, they provide average pay of $20 to $30 per hour, paid bi-weekly. So they pay twice a month. Access to their resource library. You have full control over which orders you accept, flexibility to set your own schedule, and work from anywhere. So go through these things and then click here, next step. To bring you here, you have 4 steps to take. Submit application. They'll match your skills when they have openings. They have a trial document. As part of your application, you will complete a short trial document under 1,000 words in Microsoft Word. You can select from a set of excerpts provided by them. Then number 4, hiring decision. All test takers receive feedback within 14 days of submitting their test. If successful, you will receive an offer and be onboarded as part of their network. So if you're ready, click apply now. This is going to be the application page. Cambridge Proofreading application. We are not hiring editors from California, Massachusetts, or Kentucky. If you're based elsewhere, please submit your application for our records and we will reach out if you're a good fit for our current requirements. Note that this may take a significant amount of time. Our team is at capacity and we are not actively hiring right now. We will keep your application on file for our next hiring round. Yeah, do it that way. Okay, send the application like they have requested here. Let them keep it in their record. This form consists of the following sections: your contact, education, experience, CV and cover letter, short grammar test, sample edit. Go through everything. Confirm that you consent to them retaining your information. Confirm that you are a native speaker. Then continue. Your country, enter your country here. I'll put Nigeria. Are you a US person for task purpose? No. Then you put your other details. If you have LinkedIn profile or website, you can attach it here and finish this application, and that's it. So application review takes 14 days, but if they don't get back to you after 14 days, you know that you did not make it to the list. But if you do, they will get back to you in 14 days and you proceed with the remaining application and the interview and all of that. Yes, remember, do your own research before applying. This video is for educational purposes only. I do not give jobs. I do not ask you for money for jobs, and I don't partner with the I don't partner with companies mentioned, and I don't partner with the company. So I'm just sharing to help someone. Apply, send your application, and wait for them to get back to you. That's all you would do. Okay, so I thought to share this one. Whilst we are looking for other remote jobs, this one is part of them and I decided to share. Let me know your thoughts. If you want more proofreading jobs like this, and I'll bring them. I have lots of them. Let me know your thoughts and I would release more videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.